Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Sign in to Blogger using your Google account and open the blog you want to delete. Navigate the left menu and click Settings to open the blog configuration. Scroll down until you find the Manage Blog section and its options. Before deletion, use the Backup Content option to save posts and comments as an XML file locally. This backup takes seconds to minutes depending on blog size and can restore content if necessary. Click Delete under Manage Blog to begin removing the blog permanently. A confirmation dialog will appear and explain that this action removes the blog and its URL. If prompted, type the blog name exactly to confirm and click Delete forever to complete removal. After you delete, the blog URL becomes available and content is removed from public view. Keep your XML backup, because you can import it into a new Blogger blog. You can sometimes recover a deleted blog from the Blogger dashboard within a limited time window. Check the dashboard immediately and look for an option to restore the deleted blog if it appears. If you want to remove future access, sign out of Blogger or delete the Google account from Google settings. Remember that permanently deleting your Google account removes all blogs, emails, photos, and Drive files, so export everything you need first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.